Okay, I just changed out the battery and the SIM cards. The first time I've done that both. And I just started the video and I realized, oh, wait a minute, I didn't format the card. It's the first time in. So anyway, this is Mulholland right here. Just look at the beauty. Look at the beauty. Look at these. So I'm gonna get back on. It's me. It's me. I don't have it on the the little stick, whatever. It's just in my hand right now, and this is 2.7K. I believe it's 2.760 super view with the lens mod, the max lens mod. So it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool thing, and really beautiful. Loving that. Look at that. Pretty mild day. First day of 2021 here on Mulholland. Just got off the phone with my buddy Mika in Florida. And it looks like some things are brewing. Some things are cooking. So I'm gonna get back on this baby before the temp drops too much, and then we'll go from there. I've got to come up with a way to mount this where I can see that I'm in record without leaving. I'm thinking seriously about switching over to a different helmet where it's a much simpler setup, because I never know if this is in record. And I've got all the LEDs turned off, so just want to make sure. Yep, I'm in record. Yep, I'm in record. So I just want to make sure that sure. Make sure this is still articulated the right way. And boy, this is putting pressure on the wisdom tooth I had extracted like 2 days ago. So the pressure from the helmet doesn't feel great. So yeah, it's that big contraption, and these I can replace with the same size screws, so these wouldn't, I feel like hitting these, it's just too much. I would lose the ability to, you know, easily articulate. I could probably leave this guy because it's not really in my way, but these, and then it's all that's supported is this. And pulling over like this, I've had 4 or 5 motorcycles check on me. I got my 4-ways on, so maybe I should turn those off. That's probably why. I just wanted to be visible. I actually pulled over on some gravel, which is kind of the worst thing you can do, but I didn't want to miss any more of this ride. I missed a bunch of it because of the SIM card. And whew, kind of chilly. Okay, folks, here we go. Whew.